Hey there, pal. You know how disasters can be an absolute nightmare for businesses that rely on their own infrastructure? Well, there's this incredibly nifty service by Microsoft called Azure Site Recovery, and today I thought I'd walk you through just how magical it is and how it can keep your company booming without skipping a beat. Picture this, a giant safety net, just for your IT systems, ready to catch any mishaps that may come your way. Now, disaster recovery isn't just a buzzword, it's the backbone of ensuring business continuity, and believe me, the consequences of neglecting it are as disastrous as a fire in a kindergarten. I'm talking significant downtime, not to mention potential data loss. But with ASR, we're talking a solid plan where your crucial on-site IT resources are mirrored securely in Azure before a disaster whimsically sweeps in to cause chaos. Prevention is better than cure, right? Let's dive into the heart of it, the ASR. We've got this cool setup that's pretty much like sending backup superheroes into the world, so when disaster does decide to play dress up, our backup systems swoop in. They're super reliable, able to restore VMs and servers just like they were the moment disaster struck, minus the stress and the data loss and all that jazz. It's almost like living your dream of instantaneous healing for every minor IT slip, and no disasters will ever bring your business to its knees. Now, let's walk through the setup. It's like hosting a dance-off where the ASR leads the dance to the Azure Cloud's grand ballroom. First, it's all about setting up your VMs and getting them ready to waltz with ASR. Once your IT dancers are set, it's time for ASR to come on stage, and here's where the fun begins: replication. Think of replication as the perfect twin for each of your machines and servers. They replicate in real time, night and day, creating these doppelgangers in the Azure skies or your secondary data center, which means if something happens to the original, the twin takes over like a seamless shadow, preserving your business flow. But let's get real, shall we? Setup's one thing, but if we mess up, the music stops. Luckily, ASR comes with an expert in the wings called Advanced Troubleshooting, ready to fix any missteps. These troubleshooting maestros know the score and can get your dance back on tempo faster than your CEO can say system crash. Oh, and before I forget, always keep in mind best practices. Remember, the best dancers adhere to their moves, meaning your DR plan and policies should be just the same. Stay informed, keep refining your DR blueprint, and your ASR solution stays robust. With ASR in your belt, you are armed to the teeth to tackle disasters head-on. Your IT infrastructure just got a lot safer because with Azure Site Recovery, you are not just prepared for disasters, you are well ahead of them, as if they were walking into you with a wet noodle. It's getting late into the night, and my thoughts are just flowing towards some well-deserved rest. For more mind-blowing ways to wrap your mind around Azure Site Recovery and its mighty capabilities, I must make a pit stop. Hop on over to Neeraj's site, quiezone.io. It's where I do my best thinking and tech explorations. Make sure you are subscribed. I've got a treasure chest of insights and tutorials there just waiting for you. And hey, remember to wake up tomorrow to a fresh perspective on protecting your on-premises infrastructure from any calamity. Stay empowered with knowledge, my friend, and until we meet again on this tech journey, peace out.